Thank you. So we are in Davis Waterfalls area. Get a ticket. Yes. Caleb, can you give my 100 right now? I'll give you in like 10 minutes. Or maybe I can just do it.
I got it. I need a break of like, don't worry about it.
Okay. You have to give him 10 bucks. Sorry, 100.
For two?
So this is also one of the like tourist areas.
इधर से जाना है इधर से आना है
It's interesting that this is right in the middle of the city.
Totally. Crazy.
Yeah, right? Like outside you go, there's like full on shops, houses, and
I mean, I guess it kind of makes sense from the perspective of like maybe the city, not totally, but like in part grew up around it.
right. So that's it. Really. So you're not that close to the water, but you get to see a good view. And the interesting thing about this place would be that this waterfall situation is right in the center of the city. So like outside you go, there's like full-fledged market going on. तो ये चीज़ इंटरेस्टिंग है, बट वेरी क्विक, मतलब बस नीचे से ऊपर से उतरे वाटरफॉल में आ गए करके। और ये एक्टिविटी को पूरा दिन देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप मतलब 1-2 घंटा सुबह निकाल के यहाँ आ जाओ और गुप्तेश्वर केव चले जाओ, 2 घंटे की चीज़ है। एग्जिट, हाँ।
नेपाली
Yes.
Oh wait, was that not Davis Fall?
To Devi's Fall.
To Davis Fall.
I think that was. Yeah, this is like just a photo booth. Here's the exit. Acha, you want to check it?
Yeah.
Huh. तो ये देखो बाहर एकदम मस्त दुकानें शुकानें हैं और यहीं पे नेचर की चीज़ें नहीं है। देयर इज नथिंग आउट देयर ना। शुड वी एक्सप्लोर दिस एरिया लिटिल बिट?
I think it's good.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
We go around.
हाँ। So this was Davis Falls. In some places it's written Devi, in some places it's written Davis. Now Devi means goddess, Davis looks like a westerner's name. So which one is it? Probably the one that is literally on the place, right? One second, Caleb. So these are called shaligrams. कैसे खोल सकते हैं क्या? And this is considered to be a part of like one of the roots of Lord Vishnu. देखो जैसे ये बंद है ना.
हेलो 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 यार स्कर्ट निकालिए. कौन सा स्कर्ट? आओ इधर आओ इधर. 12 से निकालिए.
आंटी आंटी शालिग्राम कितने का?
Yeah. No, it's okay.
How much? How much?
600.
शालिग्राम कितने का है? शालिग्राम
उसका इंडियन 750.
इंडियन 750. और छोटे साइज का?
कितना छोटा है? सेम है.
एक रोटी वाला दिखा दीजिए.
So my Masi told me to bring a shaligram, but she told me to bring it from the Gandaki river in Nepal. But I asked my hotel guy today and he said Gandaki river is at least how much? 6 hours far away. So I'm gonna ask her कि मैं पोखरा से ही ला सकती हूँ क्या? तो ये सब शालिग्राम ये शालिग्राम नहीं है ना? अच्छा रियली है. ओके This area is called what? Nepali. Davis Falls Road. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye.